This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Mitsubishi Triton single cab GLX Ute, stock reference number 4024. The shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 4th month 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front and rear. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror in black, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. It's got an aftermarket Hayman and Reese towbar, 3-tonne rated, supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. With a spare wheel, also 16-inch steel, good tyre. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the water tank for an aluminium tray. Right hand power door mirror. Right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior. We have a 5-speed gear shifter, manual, heater controls, interior mirror, clock, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.